I'm Benilda Padilorna, 37 years old, from Philippines. I'm married with one kid. I'm a graduate of computer programming and also graduate of caregiver course. I am working in Hong Kong as a domestic helper about 2 years. My working experience in Hong Kong are take care of baby, changing diapers, changing and pick up of his food, take care of his food, bathing, ironing, cleaning of house, washing of clothes, take care of pets, and washing of litter. About myself, I'm friendly, kind, honest, and hardworking in person. And I can work without a supervision of my employer. And I have a long patience to take care of children because I love children and and I can cook Filipino food, Chinese food, and Western food. And I'm willing to learn and cook different versions